Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the Cisco 2911K9 router. Cisco 2900 series integrated services routers built on 25 years of Cisco vision and product leadership. The new platforms are architected to enable the next phase of branch office evolution, providing rich media collaboration and virtualization to the branch while maximizing operational cost savings. The integrated services routers generation 2 platforms are future enabled with multi-core CPUs, support for high capacity DSPs, digital signal processor. For future enhanced video capabilities, high powered service modules with improved availability, gigabit Ethernet switching with enhanced PoE and new energy monitoring and control capabilities while enhancing overall system performance. Additionally, a new Cisco IOS software universal image and services ready engine module enable you to decouple the deployment of hardware and software, providing a flexible technology foundation which can quick adapt to evolving network requirements. Overall, the Cisco 2900 series offer unparalleled total cost of ownership, savings, and network agility through the intelligent integration of market-leading security, unified communications, wireless, and application services. So these are the figures of Cisco 2900 routers. So let's have an overview of this product. Cisco 2900 series built on the best in class offering of the existing Cisco 2800 series integrated services router by offering your platforms, which is shown in figure 1. The Cisco 2901, 2911, 2921 and 2951 integrated services routers. All Cisco 2900 series integrated services routers offer abundant hardware encryption, acceleration, voice processor, DSP slots, optional firewall, intrusion prevention, call processing, voicemail, and application services. In addition, the platform support the industry's widest range of wire and wireless connectivity options such as T1E1, T3E3, and DSL. So key business benefits are the integrated services router generation 2 ISRG2 provides superior services integrated and agility. Designed for scalability, the modular of these platforms enable you to grow and adapt with your business needs. Table 1 lists the business benefits of the Cisco 2900 series. So in this table, key business benefits of the Cisco 2900 series integrated services are given in this table. So in detail we will discuss in our next video. We will discuss all table. So keep watching this channel. Thank you.